Madam President, I have the honor to present to you for confirmation the candidates for graduation under the College of Teacher Education, broken down as follows. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Major in Mathematics. Major in Filipino. Major in Biological Science. Major in Mapping. Major in Social Studies. Major in PLE. They have successfully completed all the academic requirements of the respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. Madam President, the candidates for graduation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Batangas State University Board of Regents and upon recommendation of the University Academic Council, I, Dr. Nora Lumbera Magnaye, University President, now confirm you graduates with all the rights, honors, privileges, and obligations appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE. Isla Lawrence Aaron M. Santos John Israel P. Arellano Abigail M. Bautista Pamela E. Bihasa Annalisa R. Blanco Elaine Gracia L. Nilagan Rihanna Ness G. Lunar Sarah Jane H. Magsino May G. Manalo O'Neill G. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social